Genspark AI review. Is this AI agent worth it? So, what is Genspark? AI agents are everywhere right now, and Genspark AI claims to be one of the smarter ones, helping you research, analyze, and generate content automatically. What is it actually worth using? Let's find out. Genspark AI is an AI powered research and productivity agent. Instead of just chatting like ChatGPT, it can autonomously search the web, gather information, summarize data, and generate reports. It's built for students, professionals, and creators who need quick, reliable answers without manually digging through endless sources. Here's what Genspark AI offers: automated research agents that search and summarize web content generation for blogs, reports, and social posts, customizable workflows for different industries, citation support for fact checking, and clean dashboard with multi agent collaboration. It's like having a virtual assistant that does the Googling and note taking for you. And now for its pros and cons. It saves huge amounts of time on research heavy tasks. It's more autonomous than a standard chatbot, provides resources and citation, and boosting trust in results. However, it's still not perfect with accuracy. You need to double check important info. Pricing can be steep compared to simpler AI tools, and it may be an overkill if you just need quick, casual answers. So is GenSpark AI worth it? If you need a serious research assistant or content helper, yes, it's one of the stronger AI agent tools right now. But if you're just after a casual Q&A, a standard chatbot might be enough. And that is an honest review of GenSpark AI.